Pigeons are very widely distributed, with over 250 species worldwide. Pigeons are part of the family Columbidae. Scientifically, they are the same as doves, though doves normally refer to smaller species of pigeon in layman's terms. Some colorful species of these birds are bred in captivity, many with a wide variety of plumage. In scientific nomenclature, pigeon and dove are interchangeable. Some species, such as rock pigeons, are also known as rock doves. These birds get their names from the Latin word for peeping chick, pipio. If displaced, these birds can fly up to 1,300 miles to return home. Pigeons are considered one of the world's smartest animals. Pigeons are birds that are found everywhere, save for Antarctic ice and the Sahara Desert. They inhabit a wide variety of biomes, including grasslands, forests, and cities. The most widely distributed species is the rock dove, otherwise known as the common pigeon. This species is feral in cities around the world. Depending on the species, pigeons are birds that come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. They can be as small as 6 inches to over 2 feet long. The crowned pigeon is the largest of the species and is about the size of a turkey. The pigeon's flight muscles make them a bulky bird, and they have a small beak with 2 fleshy cere near the face. They have a ring of skin around their eyes. They have short beaks, short legs, and tiny heads on a long neck. They come in an incredible variety of colors and patterns. Scientifically speaking, pigeons and doves are interchangeable. Linguistically, smaller members of the Columbidae family tend to be known as doves, while larger members are called pigeons. However, this is not a hard rule and there are exceptions, as well as birds that are called both of these terms. For example, the species Columba livia is known as both the rock dove, the rock, and the common pigeon. Depending on the species, these birds can either live solitarily or form large social groups. Most species roost at night. They spend most of their day preening and sunning themselves. They also bathe in water or dust. These birds have been used extensively in history as navigators, as they have an excellent sense of place and can travel very easily. During the breeding season, most species become territorial and defend their nests. These birds eat berries, nuts, seeds, and fruits. They may also consume insects and other invertebrates. In populated areas, feral birds will scavenge for food scraps. Young birds consume a product called pigeon milk, which is produced by their parents. This is regurgitated food that comes out in a liquid form. They are one of the very few bird species with the ability to suck water through their beaks. These birds are monogamous. Males perform elaborate displays in order to attract the attention of females. The birds build flimsy nests at the top of trees or along rocky cliffs. Both parents care for the eggs and baby pigeons. Females may lay up to 5 nests during the breeding season. Most nests consist of 2 eggs, though may have either 1 or 3 depending on the abundance of available food. Because they are fed nutritious pigeon milk, they grow rapidly. Some species are fed this until they leave the nest, while others will switch to solid foods. As a family, these birds are extremely abundant. There are over 400 million birds worldwide. However, some species are endangered, critically endangered, or even extinct. According to the IUCN Red List 2012, 30% of species are threatened or near threatened. The best way to preserve endangered species is to protect their habitats from habitat destruction. However, due to the introduction by humans, Some species have drastically expanded their population sizes.